Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use tags in Substack. First, go to one of your posts, then in here, click on continue on the top right corner. Now, under the add tags, you will now be able to insert your tags. So here, you can click on the text box, then choose from the existing tags. Then, you can also go ahead and type in another tag if you'd like to, and just hit on enter. Tags are basically keywords or labels that you attach to your post. They help organize your content by topic, and they make it easier for readers to explore related posts. Think of them like signposts or folders that guide your audience to the content they're more interested in. Now, you can go ahead and publish it. Then, your post will be published with the tags that you added. For another option, to add a tag to an already published post, you can go to this published section at the left panel. Then, beside the post that you want to add a tag, click on the three dots, then click on edit. Now, go to its settings on the lower right corner. Then in here, if you scroll up, you will see a tag section. Now, you can go ahead and type in or add a tag for it, and with this, it will help you organize your writing so both you and your readers can easily find specific topics. Now, once you're done, click on the Done button. And there you have it. You now have a tag to your published post. A quick tip: keep your tags simple and consistent. Instead of creating lots of variations, just stick with one clean tag so everything stays grouped together. And that's just basically it. That's how you use your Substack tags. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.